Hello, good day. I'm going to share about my trading plan for the equity on the stock I'm holding. So let's go.
So in Nasdaq, you can see that there's three consolidation. You can see the three blocks. They are consolidating at a certain interval as well, typically after a few months. So if we look at the current price action, if Nasdaq is going to go up above 450, that means the high in technology stock will still continue. If not, there may be a retracement and our position to buy more of my stock that I want to hold at this range. Let's look into the price action of Alibaba. So if you look into Nasdaq QQQ, you have been moving outwards. However, for Alibaba, you have been consolidating in the green box. Therefore, the price action of Alibaba is considered much more weaker than most of the tech stock. Recently, the Hang Seng have outthrust above the 18,000. So you can see Alibaba have also moved to $81. So whether does this trend going to continue or not is depending on how the Hang Seng will move, at the same time as also on how the oil price will move. I will have the oil price price action at the end of this video. So for Alibaba itself, I believe that the price action will be moving in the range of up and then consolidating before moving out to retest the 95 to dollars region. So therefore, I will sell call around the 90 to 95. At the same time, when there is a consolidation, I'll be selling put in the green box. For Alibaba, from January until now, I have been making about 600 plus USD at a 5% return. So I will be sharing with you the previous video I done in January and what is my thought on Alibaba and also the option return as well. Let's hear from that.
And it started to stabilize in last year, July. And now it's in the stabilized zone in this rectangular box. Therefore, I think for the next 2 to 3 months, we will have to watch out for the resistance level that's about $100. And meantime, it's important to look at this $83, $84 because that is also a minor resistance. So these are my current open position. So I do have a Alibaba option that is going to expire on coming Friday at $82. And potentially, I think there will be a high probability of getting this $60 USD. And I do have another Grab position that's going to expire on 19th of January. So currently it's in the profit of 180 USD. And also I plan to continue to do this on the option for coming year as well. So if you look into Alibaba, just take an example for last September, the collected option is about 800 USD and October is about 300 USD. So these are the options that I have opened in last year September and closed. And these are the options that I have opened on last October and closed.
Now back to Alibaba, I will probably reduce my stake. And as of Grab have been moving in a very long consolidation phase for 2 years, despite Nasdaq moving out. Hence, for Grab properly, I will sell it away. So during the consolidation phase, I'm still getting income by selling put and selling call option, and therefore for Grab I do have an option call option at 350, and I'm looking at the 15th of May where Grab report its first quarter financial result. If there is a final push, then of course I will get my Grab share being called away with a credit of 750. So I will share with you the video that I've done previously on how I get the income from Grab by selling put and selling call option. So let's hear from it. So during that period of time, I'm able to make around 500 US dollar. So with that, I also drew in into Grab financial report. So from the period of July until this year January, I still continue to make about 400 to about 700 US dollar out from selling of call and put option on Grab share. So the return on investment was quite good. So if you look into the option that was sold, probably that is about 3k of investment USD, and the return on investment is roughly about 2k. Now we are back, so let's look into the oil price. The oil price currently now is much higher than 1 year ago. So if you look at the oil price now, with a higher than a year back, the inflation data probably will be high because oil is needed in all business. Secondly, with a higher oil price, China will need a lot of oil for their business will be impacted. So therefore, high oil price will also means that Hang Seng move will not be sustainable or go even higher. So what we need to see is for the oil price to drop below the green box, the second green box now. If oil price continue to be within the 78 to $83, that means the Hang Seng will also be hindered. And the final point is, if let's say the oil price is still continue to be strong, that means that in September the interest rate to be lower will also be lower probability. So in summary, the focus area, potentially I'll be rotating out of Grab, and also I'll be reducing stake in Alibaba. I'll be keeping eye on the oil price movement and also on the indices like Nasdaq and S&P movement as well. Secondly, I'll be capitalized on the market hype on the cryptocurrency side. So in fact, I've been spending quite a lot of time in analyzing the cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this year is a US election year, so definitely there will be a lot of volatility. And in looking at the volatility itself, I'll be keeping an eye on the major indices because with the election result, there may be additional type of volatility in the market. Basically, I'm more of a technical analysis purist, so I did not use a lot on the fundamental side. And I do intend to actually set out entry level and sell level based on support and resistance area. So I hope you like my video. Please press the subscribe button and you will hear from me soon, and happy trading and take care.